So I've just got this Aspirante in, Triton Aspirante electric shower. So I'm just going to have a test of it. Basically, before you take it off, turn it all the way to cold. Then when you take it off, make sure you connect this ribbon cable. But when you refit it, then it's in the cold position and they'll match up. So if there's something wrong with this, just got to find out what. So just start off with this. That's got continuity. That's like a thermal trip that connects to the board there. That's 3.8 kilowatts. It's 3.8 kilo ohms on the solenoid. So that's fine. That look good, but I'll just put it to continuity. So that's got continuity on one element. I'll just check the reading of it. So 12 ohms, that's pretty good. The second element, 15 ohms, so that's good. Obviously it's got continuity. And then I'll test the thermal cutout now. So that's okay. All the wiring is good. So basically you've got to suspect something on the board now, on the PCB, so if everything else tests up okay, as long as the switch mechanism is working fine, you've got to suspect the board. So it's obviously got a couple of relays on. Looks like a resistor, capacitor, a few diodes and Zener diodes. So I'll take that board out now and I'll have a test of it, but I ain't going to do that on camera.